In the heart of the 20th century, an idea took root, an idea that would forever change our understanding of what it means to be human. This idea, ambitious and daring, was the genesis of the Human Genome Project. Picture this. It's the early 1980s, and a group of scientists are gathered in a room. They're huddled around a table cluttered with research papers, scribbled notes, and half-empty cups of lukewarm coffee. The atmosphere is charged with anticipation, the room resonating with the promise of groundbreaking discovery. These aren't just ordinary scientists. They're some of the most brilliant minds of their generation, standing at the precipice of an unprecedented journey, a voyage into the intricate fabric of life itself, the human genome. The human genome, the magnificent blueprint of life, is an elaborate tapestry intricately woven from over 3 billion genetic alphabets. It carries the instructions that mold us into who we are, from the hue of our eyes to our predisposition to various diseases. And these scientists, they dared to dream of deciphering this blueprint, of unearthing the mysteries nestled within our DNA. However, the path that lay ahead was anything but smooth. The technology required to sequence the human genome was still in its infancy, a fledgling innovation. The magnitude of the task was like hunting for a specific word in a library housing thousands of books. Only in this case, the words were genes, and the books were the chromosomes that constitute our DNA. Despite the formidable challenges, the scientists remained steadfast, unyielding. They recognized the enormous potential benefits of understanding the human genome and refused to let the magnitude of the task deter them. And so, the Human Genome Project was born. A momentous global effort, this project would span more than a decade, bringing together scientists from around the world. It was a venture of unparalleled scale and complexity, yet guided by a simple, profound objective: to map and sequence the entire human genome. Welcome to Top Thangs. Today we'll delve into the early stages of this monumental endeavor, exploring the hurdles the scientists had to surmount, the landmark breakthroughs they achieved, and the enduring legacy they forged. We'll chart the history of one of the most ambitious scientific projects of our time. However, for now, let's take a moment to marvel at the audacity of this endeavor. The Human Genome Project was not just a scientific undertaking. It was a testament to our collective curiosity, our intrinsic desire to understand the world we inhabit, and our place in it. The Human Genome Project was a manifestation of our determination to unravel the mysteries of life and our role in it. It showcased our relentless pursuit of knowledge, our thirst for understanding, and our unwavering belief in the power of science. This undertaking was more than a monumental scientific endeavor. It was a tribute to human resilience, ambition, and the endless quest for understanding that defines us as a species. Stay tuned as we continue to unravel the story of the Human Genome Project, one strand at a time. The dawn of a new era. As we leave behind the bustling room where the idea of the Human Genome Project first took root, we step into a new realm of discovery and innovation. Welcome to the early 1990s, a time when the boundaries of our understanding of human genetics were about to be pushed to new horizons. The Human Genome Project had just launched. An international cohort of scientists were about to embark on this arduous journey, a voyage into the unknown. The atmosphere was electrified with a mixture of excitement and apprehension. The path ahead was laced with uncertainties and challenges, but the allure of the undiscovered terrain drove them forward. Central to this mission was a colossal task: to decode the 3 billion base pairs that form the human genome. Envision this monumental task. It's akin to solving an intricate jigsaw puzzle, but with billions of microscopic pieces, each piece representing a single nucleotide. The scale of the task was massive, the risk substantial, yet the potential benefits were incalculable. The project's initial years witnessed gradual yet consistent progress. The scientific community wrestled with basic sequencing techniques, painstakingly interpreting minuscule fragments of DNA. Every new sequence deciphered was a triumph, inching us closer to comprehending the blueprint of human life. However, the trajectory was far from optimal. With the speed of progress at this point, it was projected that fully sequencing the human genome would take centuries. It was evident a paradigm shift was necessary, a technological revolution that would turbocharge the project. As if orchestrated, this very revolution arrived in the mid-90s, which saw a dramatic transformation in sequencing technology. Automation supplanted manual sequencing, significantly enhancing the speed and precision of the process. The Human Genome Project was now surging ahead, barreling towards its goal with renewed tenacity. These advancements were a testament to human and determination, a beacon illuminating the formidable journey ahead. As we delve deeper into the rich history of the Human Genome Project, we will explore the impact of these technological strides on genetics, shedding light on how they ushered in a new era of scientific exploration and revolutionized our understanding of human biology. But for now, let's pause and appreciate the sheer audacity of this enterprise. The formative years of the Human Genome Project weren't merely about scientific exploration, they were about challenging preconceptions, about shattering the status quo, about sparking an upheaval in the realm of genetics. This was the heralding of a new era, an epoch characterized by our relentless pursuit to comprehend our genomic legacy and our position within the grand scheme of life. So stay tuned as we continue to weave the intriguing tale of the Human Genome Project, chronicling its evolution from a bold hypothesis to an international scientific undertaking that forever altered our world. We'll delve into the successes and struggles, the breakthroughs and setbacks, and the enduring impact of this monumental venture. But for now, let's take a moment to marvel at the audacity of this endeavor and the resilience, ingenuity, and ambition that propelled it forward. The technological revolution. As we journey deeper into the labyrinth of the Human Genome Project, we find ourselves in the mid-90s, an epoch characterized by a groundbreaking shift in scientific realm. This was the time of the technological revolution, a phase when the wheels of progress experienced a significant shift, radically altering the direction of the Human Genome Project. By mid-90s, the project had been functioning for several years, but the rate of progress was exceedingly slow. The conventional methods of sequencing were strenuous and time-intensive, with scientists tirelessly working for prolonged hours to decode tiny pieces of DNA. The magnitude of the task was intimidating. However, as the proverb goes, necessity gives birth to innovation. The need for speed and efficiency ignited a revolution in sequencing technology. Enter automation, the game changer. Researchers started to capitalize on the might of machines, supplanting manual sequencing with automated processes. This crucial shift propelled the project forward, multiplying the rate of progress dramatically. Visualize a production line where each worker, or in this case machine, proficiently executes its task, swiftly and precisely decoding the genome fragment by fragment. This was no longer a slow dance with science, it had metamorphosed into a high-speed race against the clock. This technological revolution didn't just quicken the process, it also amplified the accuracy of sequencing. The machines were meticulous, diminishing the room for error and guaranteeing greater precision. The influence of this transformation was profound. The once far-off goal of fully sequencing the human genome now appeared within reach. The project was accumulating momentum, advancing forward with an unyielding force. But this era was not just about speed and efficiency. It was about innovation, about challenging the limits of scientific potential. It was about exploiting the prowess of technology to decode the enigmas of life, about employing machines to decipher the crux of the technological revolution demarcated a critical chapter in the saga of the Human Genome Project, a chapter that highlighted the potency of innovation and our unending quest for knowledge. As we persist on our journey through the chronicles of the Human Genome Project, we'll delve into the victories and challenges that defined its course. We'll uncover how this project, driven by audacity and aspiration, revolutionized our understanding of what it means to be human. So, stay tuned as we untangle the captivating narrative of the Human Genome Project. But for now, let's pause to appreciate the power of technology and how it propelled this monumental venture forward. As we transition from the era of technological revolution, we find ourselves on the precipice of a new dawn, the dawn of bioinformatics. This dawn signifies an age of transition, an age where the boundaries between fields of study are blurred and an interdisciplinary approach is paramount. Harnessing the power of automation was an enormous stride in this direction, a stride that marked the dawn of a new era, an era where machine intelligence augments human ingenuity. The Human Genome Project was a monumental endeavor, a project of such colossal magnitude that it dwarfed prior scientific enterprises. It was a challenge of gargantuan proportions, a task that required not just the power of automation, but also seamless collaboration between biologists, geneticists, statisticians, and computer scientists. The enormous volume of data being generated was overwhelming. The question soon arose not of how to generate data, but of how to manage, analyze, and interpret these massive quantities of data. Enter bioinformatics, an interdisciplinary field that beautifully marries biology, computer science, and statistics. It is a field that stands at the intersection of these diverse domains, unifying them under a common umbrella. Bioinformatics emerged as the unsung hero of the Human Genome Project. It was the beacon that guided us through the labyrinthine genetic maze, the compass that pointed us in the right direction. Picture a vast library, a library teeming with books filled with complex codes. That's the perfect analogy for the human genome, a colossal library of genetic information. Bioinformatics was the librarian, the translator, the guide that helped us navigate this labyrinth of genetic codes. It was the tool that transformed raw data into meaningful information, the lens that brought the bigger picture into sharp focus. The role of bioinformatics was not just limited to data interpretation. It was pivotal in the creation of databases for storing and organizing the deluge of data. It was instrumental in designing algorithms to aid in sequence alignment, gene prediction, and structural bioinformatics. It played a critical role in the mapping and annotation of genomes. Moreover, bioinformatics facilitated comparative genomics, allowing scientists to compare the human genome with the genomes of other species. It was the bridge that connected the dots, the lens that brought the bigger picture into focus. It was the framework that allowed us to see the forest for the trees. But perhaps the most significant contribution of bioinformatics to the Human Genome Project was in the sphere of personalized medicine. By analyzing individual genomes, scientists could predict an individual's susceptibility to certain diseases, paving the way for preventive medicine and personalized treatments. This revolutionized healthcare, transforming it from a one-size-fits-all model to a personalized, tailor-made approach. Bioinformatics was the catalyst that transformed the Human Genome Project from a dream into a reality. It was the bridge that connected the dots, the lens that brought the bigger picture into focus. As we journey forward into the annals of the Human Genome Project, we will delve deeper into the project's triumphs and tribulations, its successes and setbacks, its milestones and missteps. We will explore the legacy it has left behind, the ripples it has created in the pond of science. But for now, let us pause to acknowledge the pivotal role of bioinformatics in this epic journey. Stay tuned as we continue unraveling the fascinating tale of the Human Genome Project. As we delve deeper into the role of bioinformatics in the Human Genome Project, we encounter a landscape punctuated by towering peaks and cavernous valleys, a testament to the challenges and triumphs the field has experienced. Picture this, having a jigsaw puzzle with millions of tiny pieces scattered in front of you and no reference image to guide you. And now, let's add another layer of complexity. Each puzzle piece is not flat or two-dimensional, but multi-layered and multi-dimensional. This is the exact daunting challenge bioinformatics tackled. The human genome, with its staggering 3 billion base pairs, was an intricate puzzle of immense complexity, a maze that pushed the boundaries of what we thought possible. Bioinformatics grappled with the immense big data, a term that encapsulates the sheer volume, rapid velocity, and diverse variety of data being generated. It was a mountain of data that was not only to be stored but to be sifted through, to be comprehended, and to extract meaningful, valuable insights from. In order to tackle these formidable challenges, bioinformatics was not just reactive but proactive. It had to innovate. It developed new algorithms, engineered new databases, and created unique computational tools to manage this complex web of information. It fostered cross-disciplinary collaborations, breaking barriers within the scientific community. It was an evolutionary process. The field had to adapt, grow, and evolve to meet the challenges head-on. The fruits of this labor were sweet indeed. From the creation of GenBank, a public database for storing genome sequences, to the development of BLAST, a cutting-edge algorithm for comparing biological sequences, bioinformatics emerged victorious over the challenges it faced. It mapped the human genome, annotated its genes, and paved the way for personalized medicine, revolutionizing healthcare as we know it. Notably, the journey was not a straightforward, smooth ride. It involved hurdles to jump over, obstacles to navigate, and lessons to be learned from every setback. Moments of slow progress were punctuated by overwhelming tasks that seemed insurmountable. But bioinformatics, undeterred and resilient in the face of the challenges it faced. In the end, the triumphs far outweighed the challenges. The Human Genome Project stood as a testament to the power, potential, and resilience of bioinformatics, a testament to what can be achieved when science, technology, and collaboration come together. It was a transformative journey that has shaped the way we understand and interact with our own genetic code. As we dive further into our exploration of the Human Genome Project, we will delve deeper into the project's legacy, its profound impact on science, medicine, and society. But for now, let us pause to appreciate the groundbreaking work of bioinformatics, the unsung hero of the Human Genome Project. The story is far from over, and it's gripping every step of the way. Stay tuned as we continue to unravel this fascinating tale. As we navigate through the complex labyrinth of the Human Genome Project, we commence our journey towards its enduring legacy. This venture was not merely about deconstructing our genetic code, but about transforming our understanding of life in its entirety. An exploration that has irrevocably altered the landscape of science and medicine. Through the lens of the Human Genome Project, we revolutionized our perception of genetics, disease, and human evolution. It has opened windows of opportunities for scientists to identify a plethora of genetic diseases and disorders, offering a new perspective on the genetic foundations of our health. It has set a stage for a world where we can forecast and prevent diseases even before they occur. Imagine a world where medical treatment is not just reactive but anticipative, personalized to the unique genetic makeup of every individual. This is the dream that the Human Genome Project has allowed us to inch closer to. Furthermore, the project has a profound influence on our understanding of human evolution. By juxtaposing our genome with those of other species, we have been able to trace our evolutionary journey, uncover our shared lineage, and appreciate the richness of our biodiversity. But the project's legacy goes beyond the realm of science and medicine, extending to societal aspects. It has initiated conversations about genetic privacy, discrimination, bioethical issues, and the potential and moral implications of genetic engineering. It has compelled us to grapple with profound questions about our identity, our destiny, and our place in the grand scheme of nature. The Human Genome Project has established a precedent for large-scale collaborative science, demonstrating the power of global unity in advancing scientific knowledge. It has sparked a new wave of big science projects, from mapping the intricate neural networks of the brain to exploring the mysterious depths of our oceans. As we contemplate the legacy of the Human Genome Project, we come to realize it's not just about the past, but about the future too. It has set the stage for a new era of genomic medicine, a time where we can harness our genetic code to enhance human health and well-being on a scale previously unimaginable. The Human Genome Project marked not an end, but the inception of an ongoing journey. One continues to unfold every day. Its legacy is a testament to the power of science, the potential of collaboration, and the enduring curiosity of the human spirit. It has inspired us to continue exploring the project's impact, looking forward to uncovering new frontiers, uncharted territories, and untold stories. So, stay tuned as we delve deeper into the fascinating world of the Human Genome Project. As we continue this journey, we look forward to uncovering new understandings, new insights, and new stories that will shape our view of human health and our place in the natural world. This is just the beginning of our journey into the genome, a journey that promises to unlock new doors of understanding and bring us closer to the vision of a world where we can harness the power of our genetic code for the benefit of humanity. As we move forward, let us remember the lessons of the while keeping our eyes firmly fixed on the future. Let us embrace the challenges, the questions, and the opportunities that lie ahead with the same spirit of discovery, collaboration, and hope that define the Human Genome Project. The journey is far from over, and the best is yet to come. The Human Genome Project was not the end, but the beginning of a journey that continues to unfold. Its legacy is a testament to the power of science, the potential of collaboration, and the enduring curiosity of the human spirit. As we continue to explore the project's impact, we look forward to discovering new frontiers, uncharted territories, and untold stories. Stay tuned as we continue to delve deeper into the fascinating world of the Human Genome Project. Embark on a journey of discovery where genetics unfolds the secrets of the Human Genome Project and its lasting legacy. If you are ready for more deep dives into the world of DNA, make sure to follow us at Top Thangs and hit that like button. Thank you for watching.